Hey guys, Kelly Fichter here with Go AZ Motorcycles here in Peoria. So check it out. I know it's been a while, but look what we have here. We have Aprilia motorcycles now. That's right, Aprilia. This isn't the only brand that we just picked up. So we're selling Piaggio Vespas. We absolutely love these scooters. If you're gonna ride a scooter, you might as well ride the scooter of choice. I mean, look at these things, they're gorgeous. And it's because of you guys we're able to expand our product line. We have more to come, and we didn't forget about you dirt guys here in the West Valley. So keep an eye out or come on down. We'd love to show you around, give you a tour of the place. So come on down and check the place out. Just wait and see what we got coming next.